Do you want to make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that look professional and do it in just a few clicks? Forget Photoshop. Forget Canva. Because today, I'm revealing an insane AI trick that creates viral thumbnails in minutes, 100% free. And the best part? I'm going to take you through the entire step-by-step process, from creating the perfect AI for stunning thumbnails with a single click. So, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon, because you don't want to miss this game-changing AI hack for YouTubers. Step 1. Download your thumbnail. First, you need to download your existing thumbnail from YouTube. Simple, just grab the one you already have or any image you want to improve. Step 2. Upload thumbnail to ChatGPT and get prompt. Now, head over to ChatGPT and upload your thumbnail. Type this, give me the exact prompt for this thumbnail. ChatGPT will analyze your thumbnail and give you a detailed prompt that describes everything: colors, text, style, and more. Step 3. Use the prompt in Ideogram. Next, copy that prompt and go to Google and search for Ideogram AI. Paste the prompt there. Here's the magic: you can customize the text, change the color, and tweak the style right inside the prompt. When you're happy with it, just hit generate. In a few seconds, Ideogram will create 4 stunning thumbnails for you. Step 4. Adjust ratio for different platforms. Want the perfect size for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram? No problem, Ideogram lets you adjust the ratio according to your platform. So, whether it's a YouTube thumbnail or a TikTok cover, you're covered. Bonus trick: add your face to thumbnail. And here's the killer bonus tip. If you want to add your face to the thumbnail, just go back to ChatGPT, upload your thumbnail and your photo, then type. Swap the face of the first image with the face of the second image and hit generate. Boom! AI will seamlessly blend your face into the thumbnail like a pro. And that's it. With this AI trick, you can create professional YouTube thumbnails in minutes, no design skills needed. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to AI Website Hunter, and share this with your creator friends. See you in the next video with another awesome AI hack.